110 miles from Miami,
So yeah, overall it was a great tournament. We got second place. It was we had a strong finish, strong start to the tournament. We completed the first day catching a Grand Slam plus a sail, so we got awarded the extra few points for the Grand Slam for the SFC, and it was a first Grand Slam for me as a captain and for the boat, so it was pretty neat.
I want to go ride down the water slides.
That's what they tell me. Yes. Now I understand. Great big billfish are found spinning in the deep blue sea down there. Real big ones. Fight you with a pin, you know. Good fish. If you are a fisherman and you want to have fun, come down to they treat you good. They treat you nice. You bet your life. The weather's fine. You should come and wet a line down and the fishing is good, man. Great fishing. Great. I ain't been to school, but I am one fishing fool. I'm going down to I got to go. Well, you could rent a boat, something that will float you to. You can sail there. 110 miles. Big tuna be diving down there in the deep blue sea. Where you stay? Where it is, man? What?
Second day we changed our strategy. We decided to go see if we can chase a report where there was a couple of blue marlins because we needed some blue marlins. So we went to the opposite way that we went. When we got there, the water wasn't what we expected. It turned out to be a little more green, and which obviously not what we wanted. So we ended up catching a white at 350 at the end of the day.
whiskey made me sloppy drunk. I ain't never seen no whiskey. The blues made me sloppy drunk. I'm going back to Memphis, baby. Why I have much better love. Look at mama, you know you asked me to be your kin. She said you can, man, if you want it, I'll keep it here.
You know, day 3 came around. We decided to change strategies again and go back to where we fished the first day, and got there, and water was very pretty. It was nice blues, birds, everything you could want. We trolled for about an hour and a half, and we hooked a blue marlin off the right teaser, and ended up taking us deep into the back end and chafing off right away. So we didn't get him there, and then we trolled around for a little bit, and then we ended up catching another blue marlin, and that bumped us into a comfortable second place. And then we were trolling around and found a nice pallet, which rewarded us with a 44.6 pound dolphin, which should be the top dolphin. So overall, it was a great tournament. Had a lot of fun. Walker's is a special place. You know, congrats to the quick sweep on the win. They caught a bunch of blue marlins, so that's good for them. But we'll be coming for them going forward, and looking forward to Charleston.
Other two say stay.
Get the dredge up, guys! Get the dredge up! Why is that? Oh, Chris! Why is the 50 pitch in the water on a little fish like that?
That's a nice one.
Big one, man. Let's give you 2 minutes.
37. 38.
45! Wow!
Nice.
44.6. Look, that's way bigger than 43.5.
What about the one that's 47? You gotta beat that.
What are you talking about?
He's lying. Just wait.
How big is it? 48. That was nice.
It's all green.
Nice fish.
44.5. That's a fucking good one.
I went upstairs to back my